Good morning, friends. Today we are going to learn how to set up your Visual Studio Code, basically VS Code, for development via SSH from Mac. So first we are going to install the extension called Remote SSH on your extensions icon. You can type Remote SSH, you will find this. This is from Microsoft. You download and install. And then there will be an icon getting generated as SSH targets. Though you are already running your Vagrant file in my, as we have discussed in our previous videos, first let's set up this configuration to the VS Code. For that, what you are going to do is, before we go and connect it, what we are going to do is we're going to generate an SSH public and private key on your host machine and copy the public key from the host machine to the target machine so that you don't need to enter the passwords every time you connect to your remote machine. The first step is going to be generating the SSH. We're going to use SSH keygen command to generate the SSH key. You can go with the default values. Once it is generated, you have to go and copy your public key. Copy the public key. After copying the public key, log into your Vagrant box via Vagrant SSH. If it's not already up, please do Vagrant up. It will bring the virtual machine up. Once it is open, you go and in the SSH there is an authorized file called authorized keys. Copy the public key, paste the public key which you copied already here. Once you copy, what you can do is go back to go to your left panel and then you see the SSH targets. Do plus. Here what you're going to do is you're going to do a Vagrant SSH to the Vagrant at the IP that you're going to give is the one that you have given in your Vagrant file. 192.1, in my case it is 192.168.33.10, and you can save it anywhere, so I'm saving it on this. Once you save this, if you want to go and edit the name of your SSH target, you can go on your host machine ssh.config. Here you will see a host. You can rename this to golang development. That's it. Just save the file. Once you save the file, you just refresh it. It will reflect here. And then you can connect to that particular Golang development VM automatically. That's it. On the bottom, you can see that now you are connected to the Golang development virtual box. The virtual box, this configuration. Now you can open the folder on the virtual box. Let's say GoDev is the folder that we have already created. It connects to it. Now you can do development on your host machine by remote connecting to your remote machine. So let's do a quick check. So what we have already written is the Go main file in our previous lectures. So let's see this and just do go run main.go.